Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Spiegel and I'm with Century 21 Judge Fight here in Arlington, Texas. And today I want to talk to you about seller's closing costs. How much do you pay? Well, let's find out. Okay, the first thing that you're going to pay for is if you do not own your home free and clear, then you'll be paying off your mortgage. And that's usually the biggest chunk of change that you will pay for at the closing table. The second is buyer's closing costs, and that can be anything from a home warranty that you agreed to pay for the buyer for a year, or it could be seller's concessions in lieu of repairs, or you could pay for repairs at closing. One of the most common ones is roofing companies will do your roof and they won't charge you until you get to the closing table, and they will pay, then you'll pay for the roof and that will come out of the proceeds of the sale, which is really convenient. The third thing is taxes, and those will be prorated. So from the first of the year until the time that you, till closing is what you'll pay for, and that'll be prorated. And then the buyer goes from closing to the end of the year, and they're responsible for that. And the last thing is, well, the second to last thing is commission, and that's going to come out again of the proceeds of the sale. And then the last thing is miscellaneous items, such as wire transfer fees. If you want the money to go directly into your bank account, then they'll do that for a small fee. Now you have to be very careful about wire fraud, and your realtor will talk to you about that. That's another reason, is scammers have gotten so good at looking official, and they'll do it right before closing, so they have it timed perfectly. So it's very important that buyers and sellers know that you need to verify who sent that email, and you don't call the email's number. You get your from your real estate agent, you get the title company's phone number and who you're going to be working with. You give them that name and number. We get that to you before closing. That way, if somebody sends you a wiring instructions, you can call and verify that the title company sent it to you and not some low-life scumbag. And then the final thing, well, we're talking about the final thing, closing costs. Sometimes there's a remote closing. Nowadays with COVID, a lot of times we're being closing at people's homes, their actual offices, or the title company. But if you do a remote closing, sometimes the title company will charge a fee. The one that I use generally doesn't, so you need to make sure that you're not paying any additional costs, which is another reason why you need to pick your real estate agent wisely. So that's all for today. That's what you normally pay when you're a seller at the closing table. And if you have any questions, or if you like this video, first, if you like this video, give me a like and hit the subscribe button down below, because every Tuesday I'm uploading new videos, everything pertaining to real estate. And if you'd like to see something in particular or a certain topic for me to cover that you're interested in, leave a comment below and I will definitely check it out. So y'all have a great week and stay safe. Bye.